my channel Rish's Forum. Today I'm going to talk about black fungus. So as you all know, in today's increasing COVID cases, a new member has come, that is black fungus. Apart from this, white fungus, cream fungus also arrived. After getting discharged from COVID treatment, we have heard that in India some of the COVID recovered patients attacked by a new deadly disease, that is black fungus. So this we call as mucormycosis infection or black fungus. So this is caused by mucormycetes. These are present in environment naturally, like in air as well as soil. So when we inhale these fungal spores, they enter our system and establish as deadly fungus. So when we talk about fungal spores here, they are not visible through our naked eyes. It is microscopic. These grow in and around our blood vessels. Especially in case of diabetic patients, it is life-threatening. So they can infect our digestive system as well as skin. So when we come for symptoms, so nasal blockage will be there, that is sinusitis we'll call, and nasal discharge with blood or blackish nasal discharge, pain in cheekbones, numbness, blurred vision, double vision with pain. So in this present scenario, why these COVID-19 patients are the victims of black fungus? So only why treated COVID patients are prone more to this black fungus? That is because, say, COVID patients will be treated through many medications like antibiotics, anti-malarial, anti-protozoal along with steroid treatments. So as we know, steroid is very mandatory. Because of this, sugar level in the body will be increasing because of the steroid treatments during COVID medication. So this is one of the main reason for this black fungus. Because of all those antibiotics, anti-malarial, anti-protozoal, except COVID, all the useful germs or bacteria get killed. So that immunity will be lost. Because of this decreased immunity and increased sugar level, this black fungus gets a very loving environment to develop this. So if we come for spreading regions, in our face we have 4 sinuses: eye, ear, brain. So they will undergo rapid multiplication or growth, we say, that is within 2 to 3 days they can develop at a very high rate. Firstly, they will enter through a nasal passage, that is our nose, then to ears they pass, next to eyes, can result blindness, can spread to brain and can cause death too. So after recovering from COVID, so what simple remedies you can follow at your home? That is without much expenditure or without giving money for different kinds of medicines which are available in medical stores. Simple home remedies what we can follow in our daily life. That is, first one is avoid chilled water. So that is which kept in refrigerator or fridge. More than that, main thing is when we boil water again and again continuously, the useful bacteria or germs whatever present in the water may die. So better avoid it and drink water which has room temperature. And second thing is please reduce your sugar intake or how to maintain your sugar in blood. So what most of the people after COVID treatment they do is they will be weaker, lost weight. So they may start to have sweets, sweetened juices or lipid items. So this gradually increases sugar level and help for black fungus. Next one is eat vegetables or fiber content which is half boiled. So automatically what happens, your immunity will be increasing. Exposed to sun rays. And natural more than this is apply drops of coconut oil to your nose nostrils, that is both the nostrils, and sleep. Then it moves to your throat region so that you can spit it off. And the next thing is gargling using Triphala powder or Triphala Kashaya also. So Triphala powder you can get in any medical stores as well as Ayurvedic shops. So using that powder, either you can boil it in the water, make it as Kashaya, or you can add to hot water or room temperature water. You can gargle it so that these are some of the home remedies, simple home remedies you can follow to overcome this black fungus. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.